Z. Stay with us. Baby blue color, mint blue color, yellow color, light violet color. The next one is yellow green color, rose big color, geranium color, cream color, vivid purple color, deep olive green color, forest green color, and the last one is scarlet color. Stay with us. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Now we're using the color of geranium and writing the alphabet of A. The next one is B. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of C. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. The next one is F, exactly. F for fish. G for goat. The next one is H for hand. Kids, now we're using the color of mint blue. H for hand. I. The next one is J, exactly. K for kite. L for lion, L for lemon. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, the next one is O. Now we're using the color of yellow. O for orange. The next one is P. Q for queen. The next one is R for rose, R for rice. S. The next one is T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. The next one is V for van, exactly. W. Now we're writing the alphabet of X. The next one is Y. The last one is Z. Thank you. A, B, C, D, E, F. Kids, the next one is G, H, I, J, K, L. The next one is M, N, O, P, Q, R. Stay with us. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. Rose, big color. The next one is scarlet color. Now we open the color of light violet. The next one is deep olive green color. Forest, green color. Vivid purple color. Yellow green color. And the next one is baby blue color. Yellow green color. Geranium color. Cream color. Mint blue color. Stay with us. Now we are using the color of yellow green color and writing the alphabet of A. A for ant. Kids, the next one is B. Now we are writing the alphabet of B. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. Stay with us. The next one is E. E for egg. E for egg. The next one is F. Exactly, F for fish, F for fan. Scarlet color. Now we are using the color of scarlet, writing the alphabet of G. The next one is H. H for hand. The next one is I. J for jackfruit. And the next one is K. L for lion, L for lemon. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. Now we are using the color of light violet, writing the alphabet of M. N for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for orange. P. The next one is Q. Q for queen. R for rose, R for rice. First we open colors. Silver color. The next one is sky blue color. Brown color. Brown color, kids. The next one is, yes, Persian blue color. Stay with us. The next one is, yes, yellow color. Yellow color. The next one is black color. Now we open the color of red. Red color. Orange color. Orange color. White color. Now we open the color of, yes, light pink color. Dark pink color. Light green color. Dark green color. And the last one is blue color. Blue color. Today we draw and writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. White color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yellow color. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Black color. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Persian blue color. V, W, X, Y. And the last one is Z. Stay with us. Now we're writing alphabets. First we are using the color of yellow and writing the alphabet of A. A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball. C for cow. C for cat. The next one is D. D. Now we draw the alphabet of E. The next one is, yes, F. G. G for God. So kids, now we're using the color of silver and writing the alphabet of H. H. I. I for ice. J. The next one is K. K for kangaroo. L for lemon. Now we draw the alphabet of M. Say with us. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, the next one is O. We are again using the color of silver. O for octopus. P for penguin. Q for, yes, queen. R for rice. S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Light green color, writing the alphabet of V. The next one is W. Now we draw the alphabet of X. X for Xmas tree. Y for York, and the last one is Z. Stay with us. Yes. Silver color, exactly. Dark green color. Dark pink color. Stay with us. Yes. Persian blue color. Light pink color. And the next one is brown color. Yellow color. Orange color. Black color. Kids, the next one is sky blue color. Blue color. Light green color. Stay with us. Red color. Red color. And the last one is white color. White color. Kids, first we draw the alphabet of A, and now we are using the color of light green, writing the alphabet of A. Stay with us. A. Now we're writing the alphabet of B. The next one is C. Now we're writing the alphabet of D. D for dog. The next one is E. Stay with us. E for egg. F. F. F for fish. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we're writing the alphabet of H. So kids, now we're using the color of brown, writing the alphabet of I. I for eyes. J. K. The next one is L. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. Now we're writing the alphabet of O. O for octopus. P. P for penguin. And now we're using the color of blue, writing now numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kids, the next one is 5. The next one is 6. S-I-X, 6. 7, 8. The next one is 9. 10. T-E-N, writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Persian blue color. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. The next one is H. H. I. J. K. Stay with us. L. M. N. The next one is O. Now we're writing the alphabet of P. Q. The next one is R. R. S. T. U. U for umbrella. Kids, the next one is V. V. W. W for watch. X. Y. Z. Coral red color. Kids, the next one is pale pink color. The next one is raw silk color. Now we open the color of vivid green color. The next one is cool gray color. Cool gray color. Emerald green color. Pastel pink color. The next one is lavender color. Kids, now we open the color of warm gray. And the next one is pale blue light color. Persian blue color. Persian blue color. And the last one is black color. Stay with us. We'll be writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The next one is H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Now we open O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. The next one is V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Stay with us. Lavender color. And writing the alphabet of yes, A. The next one is yes, B, C. Now we draw the alphabet of D. And the next one is E. Exactly. F. F for fish, F for fan. G for gorilla. So kids, now we are using the color of coral, red color, and writing the alphabet of yes, H. The next one is I. J, K, L, M for moon, N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. Cool, gray color. O for octopus. P. The next one is Q. Now we draw the alphabet of R. S. The next one is T. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. Pastel pink color. V for van. The next one is W. W for wolf. X for Xmas tree. Y. And the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching.